5 Tips of Preventative Maintenance, Part 1. Number 1. Have a plan for plant maintenance. If you have a plan, dust it off, revive it, and stick to it. Depending on which study or industry you research, even the most basic plan is better than no preventive maintenance plan at all. A simple way to start is to document the system components and divide them into weekly or monthly inspection timelines. Number 2. Get the component manual. Some component manufacturers outline guidelines and timelines for preventive maintenance tasks. Read the manufacturer guidelines, as well as the warranty conditions to help you figure out the best tasks for preventive maintenance. Regardless of the timeline, most manufacturers' manuals will have simple maintenance tasks outlined, that will help increase the performance and life expectancy of their components. Number 3. Conduct visual and physical inspections to identify and correct obvious issues before they start the journey. The same can apply to you and your team. Visually and physically inspecting the system and components both when idle and during operation allows you monitor the system,